Hey, what's going on today, guys? I'm going to be talking to you about the Aroma 6-string guitar capo, CA01. I think there are versions that go up to 06. Some of them are for ukuleles and the smaller ones, and then some of them come with extra little features like a pin puller right here at the bottom. This one is the original. It's, very, very simple, very ergonomic design, and it's pretty much the base model of Aroma capos. Now, this is probably not the most popular capo brand that's out there. In my opinion, I don't really see it very often. Though, even with that being said, it is very, very easy to use. It is a clamp capo, meaning that you can just open it up, squeeze it on your guitar, and you are set. So it's very easy, and I'll show you real quick. There you go, boom. Gets on it nicely. Gets all the strings, clamps them down nicely, no ringing, no buzz. It sounds really nice. It is made out of a zinc alloy material, so it's very, very sturdy. It does have a nice silver finish on it. These guitar capos come in all different colors. So if silver isn't your thing, I think they have like gold, blue, black, red, green, a ton of different colors. So, it's really, really up to you what you decide on. Because of that kind of zinc alloy build, they are heavier than other capos that I own. I own a Kaiser capo, and I can't remember the other brand of the capo that I own, but it's definitely on the heavy side of capos. And not a huge deal. Obviously, it's still like a small product, but that is just one thing to keep in mind. It is a little bit heavier than other capos. The spring on it is very powerful. Like I showed you, it keeps all the strings down, keeps them from buzzing or anything, and so it's really, really nice and convenient that that's there. It's really your standard spring too. Standard spring action. Very strong. One of the things I always notice, and this is just like a thing with these sorts of clamp capos, is that they only have one strength. So depending on the guitar, depending on where you place it on the guitar, it does have the ability to knock the guitar slightly out of tune because, it doesn't have tension to adjust to the specific neck or the place on the neck. So that is one thing, also to keep in mind. Other than that, it's very protective on the inside. They do have these nice little silicone cushions that are here, and these are all around the entire inside of the clamp, which is cool. So it'll, really help in protecting both the frets and the back of the neck and even the round part of the neck because of the extra little cushion right here. So yeah, all around, each note can be heard clearly. It really just, does its job. It's nice because, when you're done with it, you can stick it on the headstock and, you're not gonna lose it because it's clamp. It's got a nice design. Really, really simple capo. It's not really built for it. Like I said, there's another one that has like a pin puller where you can essentially stick it in the pin and pull it out for your acoustic guitar when you're changing strings. Though it's not bent like that one, I've actually still used it like that, just because it does have this little hole right here. So even though I'm not sure if it was technically made for that, you can do it, which is kind of cool. But yeah, Aroma capo. You're going to need a capo eventually if you're going to get serious about guitar, so I would definitely recommend picking up one of these. There are all kinds of Aroma capos. Again, this is the AC01. It's the base model, but still very functional, very useful, and I really like it. So yeah, happy playing.